We're at 100th Street Bridge over US-131 in southern Kent County, and it's famous for being struck so many times over the last couple of years. 13, in fact, I believe was the number.
So it's our famous bridge. It got hit way too many times. I just wanted to mention that it got hit because our people that were driving down the road were not measuring their loads, and they were too tall for what the measurement of the bridge was stated for. In fact, the measurement of the bridge was actually a little bit higher than what it was marked, and we were still hitting it. So it was a pretty big problem. It got hit several times. I think there was even t-shirts going on about the 100th Street Bridge. It's very exciting. Very exciting. And they got it done pretty quick, especially with COVID shutting us down for a little bit. They got it done pretty quick, and it's great. It's great for all the businesses around here, and it's awesome.
So there's a 10-foot multi-use path out here that's going to be connected with the county's network in the future. And I know the public's really excited about having this open down here.
It is beautiful. It has got more lanes. It's got a walking bike path alongside it. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's such a huge addition to our county and our state.